Hi, it's me, Camila Rose, and guess what? I know y'all can't believe it. I can barely believe it. It is time for the July Paycheck 1 budget. We are halfway through the year. I hope that you all are making great progress on your goals, and if you're not, you know what? I hope you're just being nice to yourself and doing nice things for yourself and taking time and loving on yourself and doing all those things, because we have had a stressful 2.5 years, a year and a half, however long it's been since March 2020. So enjoy yourselves. You deserve it. I'm going to sit here and work on this budget because I got to get my life together. Got to get my monies together. I've been saying that for the last 2 months now. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to see you all in just 1 minute. Alright, y'all, look at her, nice and clean, nice and ready to go. Paycheck date, we got paid for this one on 06/something 2021. Honestly don't remember the date. 1614. Envelopes got $300. Rent, this is brand new, $960. And I changed my budget, so let me make sure I've got everything the way it's supposed to be. Electricity gets 100. Adobe gets 35. Then we have Banfield, who still gets 60, which I might need to take down, because I think it's only 49 now, but I'll check it. I'll check it next month because I don't want to be short. Sinking funds gets $130. We give 9 for giving, and then we do $20 for travelers. Alrighty, and let's add it up and make sure that we've got the right amount, so that once we're done, this will be zeroed out. Let's see, 300 plus 960 plus 100 plus 35 plus 60, oops, there we go, plus 60 plus 130 plus 9 and plus 20, 1614. There we go, all done. All right, so let's go ahead and let us put away the $9 for giving, which just needs to go inside of an envelope. So here's that $9. And then let's also do, from the overtime, the money that needs to go into my 3 that I contribute to during overtime. And let me check and see, because I wonder if those they have not been put into sinking funds yet. At least I don't think they have. Which now I'm like, oh my gosh, am I gonna need to add that to sinking funds? Because I know that's coming. They have not, none of those have. Fascinating. Okay, yep. At some point I'm gonna have to adjust my sinking funds again, because I'm gonna have to add these in there. So I'm putting 25 towards, I just hope that, hopefully we'll be able to continue forth with our overtime for just a little bit. 25 goes towards school loans. As you all know, school loans are still in deferment until October, so we've got a little bit of time left. I've been putting money aside to just pay on them. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. $238 so far to go towards student loans, which is nice. That's a nice little bit. And then I'm putting 25 for taxes, because as I always mention, it costs that. I always end up having to pay for my taxes, and I hate it. So putting some money towards it. But we'll see how that goes this year. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. $213. I'm honestly just trying to get to 300, and once I hit 300, I am stopping. So I need about what? Four more to go, roughly. Technically 3 and some change. And then we put 30 away. Where is it? Oh, I think I hadn't put it back yet. Because I just went and got my hair done. This is wild. I cannot find my envelope. Okay, well, I'll set the $30 aside, and then whenever I figure out what I did with the envelope, I will pull it out. But I did go ahead and grab the giving envelope, and we can put those $9 in there. So don't get confused about where those are supposed to go. Okay, when I figure it out, when I figure out what happened to my hair envelope, I will put my $30 in there, and that will get started on that portion. So that can be all saved up for when it's time for me to go and get my hair done again. So that's it for now, y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll be back for our actual cash stuffing for this $130 in our sinking funds, because as you all know, it's a lot and it takes a while. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I upload every Wednesday and every Saturday. Bye. Have a good one.